What's up, guys? Good morning, good evening, good afternoon from wherever you're watching from. Welcome on today's vlog. My good name is Damaris Muita Official. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Guys, if you're new here, please consider subscribing. And if you're turning subscriber, thank you for watching. As you can see, I'm coming live from the kitchen. So today, guys, I'm going to cook pilau, beef, Kenyan food. So I'm so excited because today I'm going to prepare Kenyan food. So stay tuned, don't skip the channel. Consider subscribing if you are new here, if you're a turning subscriber. I really appreciate. So guys, on today's video, let me take you along what I have here. So this is the meat I have. You can see it is boiling in a very good way. And this is the software I'm going to use. I have here, this is tomato paste. I have this is black pepper. I have this is the salt. You can see this one is as mixed, but it doesn't matter. I have here the rice. You can see the rice, my good people. So welcome here. This is tomato mixed with the garlic. This is the garlic. This is the, I don't know how you call it in your language. This one, let me know in your language. In our language, we call it hoho. I have this here. This is turmeric powder. I have this is pilaumasala. This is red, and this is the spices. So guys, this is the spicy I'm going to use to cook it. I'm so excited because this is beef pilau, original from Kenya. So I'm starting by putting my, you can see. Yeah, this is where I'm going to cook from, and then I'm going to take the oil. Okay, I'm going to take the oil and put like this way. Oh, I don't want to put a lot, I just put a little bit. So from there, my good people, I'm going to put the onions. Okay, so I'm coming from to this side, and I'm taking my onion like this. Don't mind my hand, I have already washed it because I'm in the kitchen. Yeah, I know being clean is the master of the kitchen and everything. Yeah, for the healthy and everything. So that is my onions I have put there. So you can see I'm taking from this point. Okay, you have seen already my onion has started turned brown. Guys, you can add the carrot when you are cooking, but for me today I don't have it, but it doesn't matter. So I want to take meat from this side to this side. Let me show you how I do it. Okay, so I'm going to take like this. The water remaining there, I'm going to add another water. That is the water I'm going to use to cook with it. Remember to boil your meat. Yeah, remember to boil your meat so that it is going to give you easy work. Remember, if you are safe, Damaris here. So take every tip from me and you won't regret it. You won't regret it, you see. So this water remaining here, I'm going to add a little bit of water there. This is the one I'm going to use to cook with my rice, and it's going to be wow. Remember, this is beef pilau, the origin food from Kenya. So today I decided, you know what, this is what I'm gonna make. Yeah, it has been so long time without eating it, and let me do it. So you see this one, I'm going to add now here water, and this one I'm going to start to mix until it come brown. Let me bring a cooking stick. Guys, I had to change my cooking place from that side to this side because I need this fire. You see, this article is big. So we are going to mix our beef until it starts being brown. Okay, so I want to close a little bit. So this is my beef. Let me close it like this. And here I want to add a little bit of water. This is my water here. Remember, this water is the one I'm going to use to put it there. This one is enough. Yeah, this one is enough. Like this way. And my meat here is like doing very well. Very, very well. Okay. So this is what I'm cooking today. Pilau. Pilau, my good people. I'm so excited about this food. I'm so excited, as you can see. I'm so excited. So excited. So my good people, the next thing I wanna add, as you can see my meat, it has turned already into brown. I'm going to add this one. I don't know how you call it in your language. Let me know in comment section. In our language we call it hoho, and this garlic I'm going to add it like this because I need the smell in the rice. So I'm going to take it like this and I put this side like this. Yeah, this simple way of cooking pilau beef, and you won't regret it. Yes, this is how we do it. Remember, mixing is the key of everything. Okay. Amazing, my good people. You guys, I wish you are here and hear the smell from this side. You're gonna say, oh God, I need to eat this. But now since you are awake, until next time, you see, until next time. Let us give a little bit time before I mix the spicy. Yeah, so stay tuned on the channel. If you are new here, consider subscribing. If you are turning subscriber, thank you for coming to watch my video, my vlog. This channel, you are going to get video for cooking, and you are going to get video for traveling, and you are going to get all the reality. There's no cornering. No. This is behind the scene and everything, like the reality of the situation. So stay tuned. New things, new video is coming. You can see this is our flag. I don't know if you can see it. This is my Kenya flag. I like it. So wherever I'm going, it is on my hand. Forever Kenya. So guys, I want to add this spice here. Okay, I want to add this spicy on one time like this, and this one I want to add it. Okay, I want to add it like this way. Yeah, and I start mixing. From there, I'm going to add some water. And you mix. You see what is going to do. You guys see the way it looks up here. So what I wanna do, I wanna take this water here and put here, but I don't know what I'm going to use. Let me look for a spoon. Let me take this one off. Put it here. And I look for a big spoon. I think this one, my good people, and it helps me to take water from this point to this point. Okay, because I have no idea oh God, what to do. This is the only okay. Do you have any idea what I'm cooking? Ta-da! This is our rice. So let me put here water. After finishing, let me use my hand because this one is going to mess me big time. You see what I'm using? Let me carry it. This is the true definition of being a solo content creation, being a solo YouTuber. It's hard at some point, but it is what it is. So it's time to test if the salt is good and everything before I add my rice. So guys, stay tuned. Yeah, let me test the salt. I think I need like a spoon. Yes, good people. Let us do this. Yeah, the salt is good. So it is now time to put this rice. Let me show you the rice. You see, the water is already boiling. Wow, I like it. I really like it. So I'm going to take this. This is 3 cups of rice. I'm going to add it here. Like this. A very simple way of cooking Kenyan pilau. So my good people, I'm going to close it for 15 minutes. No, 15 is a lot. 10 minutes. Oh God, alhamdulillah. I'm going to close it for 10 minutes and wait to see the results. I can't wait. So my good people, stay tuned. Guys, see outside how it looks as our food is cooking here. You see, I like the view. I like everything. You can see me from this side. So let us go and see how is our rice is. Let us see how is our rice. So you can see. Yeah, so stay tuned and wait to see the last result of our rice. Remember to reduce your fire when you are cooking. Just reduce your fire so that the rice will be so good. It is pilau beef, Kenyan food. Yeah, so it is what it is. And this is the tomato used. You see, tomato paste. Yeah. Guys, I'm having flour, and this is the mix of ginger, lemon, orange, and the turmeric powder. Yeah, it helped me to like I'm having flour. It helped me at least to get glazed. Yeah, this one my grandmother taught me how to do it, and it's very nice. So meanwhile, let us check for our food. Guys, finally see my pilau. Finally. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take my food. Let me take my food here and we eat, even if I'm not that much, okay, but let us do this. You know me, I'm not eating big person. This one is enough for me. And tala, this is our finally beef pilau, Kenyan made by Damaris, Mwita official, the chef herself. So yeah, let me sit down and enjoy these nice things together. And yeah guys, this is my table now, and there's me here. So let me take my food and eat. Amazing. So yummy. So guys, thank you for watching my video. Without further ado, let me end this video from this side. Please, if you're new here, please consider subscribing if you're a turning subscriber. Thank you so much, so that you will never miss any vlog from Damaris Mwita official. Bye. Love you all.